Looking for career opportunities in data engineering? But do you know what this term data engineering means? Hi, I am Shruti, learning consultant from Madrid Software. In this video, we will be discussing what is data engineering, what types of careers you can go for after going for these courses of data engineering. Make sure you hit the like button. Also, you subscribe to the channel and share this video, share this piece of information with all the tech people and your friends. Also, do check out our courses from Madrid Software. In the comments below, in the description box below, there is a link of the website. You can check the courses. We go online and offline both. So what is data engineering? You might be very familiar with this data term. Now what is data? Data is any kind of thing, any kind of collection of just like I am saying something, this is also a data. So data engineering, what does it involve? It involves building of systems to enable the collection and the usage of data. Now you might be knowing after this 4G has arrived, we have a lot of data. We have a lot of people, we have billions of people, billions of users of particular social networking site or particular software or kind of any app. So there is a lot of data to gather, there is a lot of data to utilize it from. Data engineering, the major steps in this data engineering process are as follows. So these skills are required whenever a company is looking for a data engineer. First, the data is collected. You should be thorough how the data is collected. Warehousing and mining of the data, how is it done? How the extraction of the data is being done. Now the modeling, crunching and the metadata management, which leads to the final output of that data. For getting into this data engineering career, you must know some kind of C++ languages or the coding languages, which are SQL, Python, R, ETL systems, working off the certain tools like Kafka, Spark and Hadoop. These are some kind of tools which you should learn while getting into this data engineering. Also, I would like to highlight this thing right now. We at Madrid Software, we teach these things, we teach these courses, we teach these skills very properly, very efficiently, so that a candidate when sits for an interview or any of the hiring rounds, he or she gets selected, he or she gets placed there. Do check out the courses of the data engineering, data science and AI in the comment section, in the description box. There is a website link. You can check out the courses there. We offer the courses online and offline both. I hope now you would have got a good idea and good knowledge of the data engineering. Comment down below the topics what you want us to make videos on. I'll be happy to make videos on those topics. Thank you.